3 weeks into my low-carb diet, I stopped sleeping throughout the night. Wide awake at 3 a.m., my heart is racing. I'm staring at the ceiling. I didn't want a list of supplements. I wanted to know what is happening. What's the chain of event that's causing this? Just like how trace a bug through the system at work. Here are the chain of events Claude walked me through. Low carb means low insulin. Low insulin means less tryptophan reaches the brain. Less tryptophan means less serotonin, and less serotonin means less melatonin. That's lever 1. Lever 2 is cortisol. When your glycogen is low, body uses cortisol to keep your blood glucose level stable throughout the night. Cortisol is literally your wake-up hormone. If it spikes at 3 a.m., you wake up instead of 6 a.m. That's not anxiety. That's just biochemistry. The fix isn't abandoning low-carb diet. It's about timing. I moved most of my low carbs to dinner. Rice, potatoes, fruit, same total carbs, different clock. Within 4 nights, I was sleeping throughout the night. 0 changes to calories, 0 changes to fat loss. Most diet treats your body like a single function. It's a chain of dependencies. If the output is broken, trace upstream.